Hey guys, do you no longer need an album art cover on your lock screen iPhone, which is located at the bottom of the time font? In this video, I'll be showing you how to disable album art and what is the cons of the full screen album art on your iPhone lock screen. What do you need to do? Simply tap on the album art cover to disable it, and it will take a place on the music player shortcut. How do I put it back? Simply tap on the album art icon to make bigger. For more information, watch my above video card. Ladies and gentlemen, do you know there are some drawbacks to enabling music album art on the lock screen iPhone? Let's see. Number 1 is reduced visibility of notifications. The large album art can overshadow important notifications or messages, making it harder to quickly view them. Number 2, visual clutter. A full screen album cover can make the lock screen look busy or cluttered. Number 3, interference with custom wallpaper. Number 4, privacy concerns. Large album art in public or shared spaces may reveal what you're listening to, which might be undesirable. Number 5, battery drain on OLED screens. Displaying full album art, especially bright or dynamic images, could marginally impact battery life. Number 6, inconsistent aesthetic. You guys, the appearance of different album covers each time you play new music may disrupt the cohesive aesthetic of your lock screen. I hope this video found helpful to you. Thanks for watching.